Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to optimize your PC for gaming. So let's do this. Search run %temp% and delete everything. Continue. And some files you can't delete, so you'll just click yes. Skip, sorry. Now wait for it to recycle. Search run and type temp, but without percentages. And delete everything from here also. Then what you are going to do is type edit power plan and go to power options. And here you will see this choose or customize a power plan. Now is search CMD, run as administrator, allow this app to make changes, and simply type this power config, which I will link down in comments or description, and click enter. Now go again to power options, and you will see here ultimate performance. I have it both because I had one, as you guys saw. So select this and it will provide ultimate performance. And now, most importantly, type PowerShell and run as administrator. In here we'll type this thing and click enter. Now wait for it, and now you will see here this. Go to tweaks, desktop. I have this already, but click desktop and run tweaks. After that, make sure to restart your PC, and that will help your PC run much better. Settings and enable this. This will optimize your PC for play by turning off things in background. A very important thing is make sure that your Windows is up to date. Always check for Windows updates. If it's up to date, then you don't need to do that. So last thing that we are going to do, as you can see, Microsoft Defender antivirus. So it's completed. And now simply game bar settings and allow your controller to open game bar off. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next one. Hope this one helped.